I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day.
Selamat pagi sahabat traveling semuanya. Hari ini kita kembali ke Waterboom Lhokseumawe Kota Lhokseumawe yang berada di Jalan Len Pipa, Kecamatan Blangmangan. Nah, hari ini kita ingin mencoba bawa anak-anak karena hari libur. Jadinya kita pilih tempat liburan itu di tempat yang terdekat. Nah, kebetulan di sini ramai sekali hari ini karena ini lagi hari libur sekolah dan bertepatan dengan weekend Sabtu Minggu. Nah, sahabat traveling semuanya, di sini ada fasilitas kereta api. Coba kita naik kereta api. Oke. Thank you. Nah, Mas Fran, kita sudah naik kereta api. Ini kereta api kita diambil tiket 5.000 per satu orang. Jadi kita di sini satu gerbong mau bertiga sama Gafran. Nah, 15.000 untuk mengelilingi atau berputar-putar di area Waterboom. Ayo kita nikmat.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Just step it up. Don't be scared. Crack. And if you get in my way, you gonna feel the wrath. Gotta say it to my face while he's looking back. Mirror breaks after math. When I hate, I attack. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal.
Nah, sahabat semuanya, kita sudah menaiki kereta api dan kita masih ingin menikmati wahana permainan lainnya. Di sini juga ada karaoke, kita bisa karaoke dan banyak sekali wahana permainan lainnya seperti ayunan, kemudian ada replika helikopter dan taman ya. Juga disediakan tempat-tempat pondok-pondok tempat kita singgah dan juga kantin yang besar.